Hello, my fellow one shouters, JJ Warner here. Welcome to another video. Well, this is the final of spaghetti with James, making spaghetti and cooking and so I'm gonna show you the final thing, and then we're gonna have my grandma test taste it. So, come on, let's go. There you go. There's spaghetti. In a second, my grandma's gonna come out here. And we're gonna taste test. Come on, Grandma! Taste testing time. On video.
What?
You have to rate it 1 out of 10. Sit down. You have to read it 1 out of 10. You have to read 1 out of 10. Eat it. Just take a bite.
Oh, look at your that's a fire.
Come on. Take it 1 out of 10.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look out, Lordy. Watch this.
1 out of 10. You have to rate it. You're so messy. Okay, rate it 1 out of 10. Your face is like dirty. You don't even give a shit about how I like put a whole like milk and things there for it. I don't really care. 10 out of 10. There you go, my fellow boy champions. They're from Grandma Minor. See you guys. Bye bye.